Okay, so for this tutorial, we will use the squeeze theorem to show that the limit as x approaches 0 for this question will be 0. Now, to do this question, we need to realize that we have sine pi over 3, and that sine oscillates between -1 to 1. So the lowest that this can be is -1, the highest it can be is 1. So the first thing we're going to do is write -1, the absolute value of x cubed plus x squared all over. This is essentially going to say if we have sine pi over 3 and we have a value that the lowest it's going to be is -1, and then the rest is going to be just this. So this is going to be less than or equal to the absolute value of our function, which this is in turn is going to be less than or equal to the value when sine is going to be 1. So this x cubed plus x squared. And by looking at this, now we are going to insert x equals 0. And if x is 0 here and here, we have 0 is less than or equal to f of x. Likewise, the value for this will also be 0. We put 0 and 0, again, it's going to be 0. And therefore, we are going to conclude that since f of x is in between these 2 points, it's also going to be 0. And so we're going to say this. F of x would approach 0, let me scroll down a little bit, when the limit x approaches 0 of f of x. And this is by the squeeze theorem. So, and that's it.